Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan and today I'm back with another how to cop video. I know we've been on a roll with these recently, doing a lot of information, just kind of showing you how to get shoes, but we also, don't forget, have this 3-day span of drops across the Nike app, and I want to make sure I cover each individual day and make sure I cover them, obviously before the day arrives. So we have another drop coming up February 4th on the Nike app. Quite a few profitable shoes. I do not think I've discussed this day or these ones in particular before as to dropping on the Nike app. So that's what this video is for today, to kind of get you all aware of them and show you all how they are doing, because they are profitable shoes. They will serve you well, and yeah, that's really what it is. So if you want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below, it's all right here on the screen, so you can do that if you want. If you want to subscribe and like too, that's also, again, that's up to you. That's a choice, but the choice would go a long way, and I'd appreciate it. Let's see if you could let's make the like goal in this video. Since my how to cop's been doing pretty solid recently, I've been peeping. Let's try and hit 300 likes on this video. That's a big goal, but if we can hit 300, cheap keep 300, so I think we can too. Hopefully that made you cringe inside out, because we're getting the video started. So aside from that, that's all linked down below. So the first few drops I wanted to discuss, as you guys can see, all of these are dropping on the 4th. The 4th is mainly dedicated to Jordan 1 lows and mids, and you can see there's a lot of profitable ones. Every single one of these is going to be worth it to go for. I will repeat that. I will make sure you guys hear me out on that. Every single one of these shoes right here that I'm showing you all is worth it to go for. Each one of them will profit you now or long term down the line. Now, this one right here, the Air Jordan 1 Low Mighty Swooshers, this is not the first time this shoe has dropped. I think if we've been here, y'all have known how many times these have dropped. This is previously a $250 shoe. I don't know what it goes for right now, just because this is like, again, the 3rd or 4th time it has released. But you can see the drop for all of these releases that I've been showing you on the screen right here is February 4th, 10 a.m. Eastern time. You can see, again, some really nice looking mids. Personally, I think this is a great pair to invest in if you're just looking for a sneaker hold. I think this one, after this release today, is going to be a very good hold. I should have specified that in my last video. There was people that were upset at me about that, and I was like, I still let them know. Again, it's long term. That's the way to think of most of these holds. You're not going to make a fat bag off mids in a couple months. It's just not going to happen. Most of the time at least. But this is smoke gray colorway, and y'all can look at what previous smoke gray colorways and mids have gone for. It's like $400, so that's just the only reason I brought them up as a good hold. People disagreed with me, but I think we can see who will disagree with who in a couple months. But yeah, personally, my favorite one to go for overall on this set of the ones dropping on the 4th, it has to be the Jordan 1 Low Team Red, and it also has to be this one right here, the Jordan 1 Low Mighty Swooshers. These are going to be the two ones I will mainly be focusing on January, or not January, but on February 4th. We're going through this year too fast, by the way, already in February. That's crazy, but yeah, looking at it, again, we got these Jordan 1 lows right here, and this will be the main ones I focus on, but I'll be going for every single one of these dropping again February 4th, 10 a.m. Eastern time. So just mark your calendars, keep that in mind. All of these will be profitable drops, mids and Jordan 1 lows, coming on the 4th. Nike app. But yeah, aside from that, let me show you the resale on some of these items, just again to show you why I'm going for them. This one, again, is also not a bad hold. I believe I mentioned these in bigger sizes, 10.5 plus, 11W plus. I'd probably say it'd be safe sizes to target on this one. Just hold them for like 6 to 12 months. It's a very wearable colorway, so as long as it doesn't restock too frequently or too often, which usually won't be the case. Nike doesn't do drops like this very often, so you can see this one will probably hold in price fairly well, maybe drop another $10, and then it could be a great little long hold from there. And same with this one, this Jordan 1 Low Team Red, already on the rise. Like, look at this, beautiful. I'm pretty sure we discussed this as a hold before too, so seeing this is very nice. And then you can kind of see it's flattened out, going down a bit right now, and then of course after the release it's just going to go right back up. So it's another one of those. Again, all of these ones are safe bets for now to resell or for the long term. You'll be able to get your sale or be able to hold it and make some money on it. That's my belief on all of these ones right here. Again, February 4th, 10 a.m. Eastern time, Nike app. Excuse my beautiful stutter right there. Hopefully you enjoyed that. But yeah, that's really the ones right there, my resale estimation for them. I don't have an estimate necessarily. They'll probably, again, all the pairs will probably drop another 10, 20 bucks. That's a safe bet. But any of those Dunk Lows dropping today on the 2nd, which I'm about to focus on that drop, that is so annoying, by the way. If you think you're cool doing that with your car or bike at 9 a.m., 10 a.m. in the morning, I just want to let you know, no. Opposite. It's cool to have a loud car or something, but if you were popping your car doing all that at 9, 10 a.m., nobody likes you. Nobody. So yeah, that's it. And aside from that, a couple other things I'll link down below. These ones right here. These videos show you, again, how to make multiple accounts, how to cop on the Nike sneakers app, stuff like that. So if y'all want to check that out, feel free. Those are down below in the description. This one shows you how to make multiple accounts. Obviously today for this Nike drop, I'm using multiple accounts. I'm using about 3 or 4 just to be safe. So hopefully I will cop something, but my cards have been acting up. So if I don't cop something off the Nike app today, I'm not tripping. Got plenty of other content and stuff to make. We've been grinding here on YouTube. So the main focus has been here lately with making videos. That's been taking up a lot of my time, but yeah, so these two will be down below. This one just shows you some tips and tricks. This one shows you how to make multiple accounts. And also, as always, I gotta give a huge shout out to my guys right here at Secret Sauce, man. We've been working together for a while now, $60 monthly fee, and people always ask me, hey Tristan, how can I take advantage of Secret Sauce? How can I make sure that this group is worth the $60 monthly fee to me? And my main piece of advice with anything that you pay money for, anything that you pay to get into, you have to be active in it, you have to participate in it. That's my main thing. So with Secret Sauce, always be active in those raffle monitors sections, those important info sections in the Discord that will help you. Of course, entering in many raffles for a pair will increase your chances of hitting. I always enter in raffles and I always get a dub like once or twice a month. So I honestly need to get back on my raffle monitor grind. I've been slacking on that just because my crypto involvement lately, but crypto's been doing me really well, you know, everything's been going great, and it's all thanks, not the crypto stuff, but the shoe stuff. I can always thank to my guys right here at Secret Sauce right here. Of course, they have those tickets too, where that ticket system again is where they will actually use members' information and help them cop items for them, which is a really dope system. They can, you know, teach you how to bot. Again, I've been trying to, you know, discuss more with some of the staff to kind of, again, cop some more items to kind of show you all some of the success. So just stay tuned. A lot of things are coming in the future with my guys right here in terms of copying items, things like that. I'm going to be looking at their Discord later today to get back on the raffle monitor. These are the guys to cop me or help me cop like 4 pairs of Amab year ones. So if you just want to take that into account, there you go. All those PS5s in the past when they were reselling for $700, $800, those are these guys too. So again, they're down there in the description. If you want to check them out, just send them a message on Twitter, be like, yo, Tristan sent me, I need to get in. How can I get into the group? Or just follow their Instagram, wait until they drop invites again, and that's how you guys can do it. And if you have any questions about Secret Sauce, you can just go ahead and message me on Instagram. I'll try and get back to you about it. I've been trying to be helpful about it, explain people the group, kind of, you know, give them help so they can actually utilize it. I've been doing that recently in my DMs, so if y'all want to do that, feel free to DM me. But yeah, you know, I'm busy sometimes, so I won't get to everybody, but you know what, I've been trying to get better at responding to my DMs. I have been. And also right here, a couple other things, sneaker news. This is just, again, only reason I'm showing y'all this is just to show you the confirmation. There's several shoes dropping on this day. Here's another one too. Do not sleep on them green toes. And also, what the yeah, I'd like to see these drop. Hopefully these will pop up on the Nike app or some, but yeah, you can see a few drops, profitable ones, all on the 4th, so don't sleep. That's another day, and that's the main reason for me making this video, just so y'all can see 10 a.m. Eastern time. These are my favorite ones I will be targeting on February 4th when they release. So it's everything your boy Tristan needs to say right here. If y'all want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below, feel free. Let me know what you're thinking of your boy's new, you know, Gap hoodie, Yeezy Gap hoodie. Comfy, really comfy, I like it. Made a review yesterday if you want to go check that out. But yeah, like goal in this video. I remember I said subscribe and like goals 300 likes in this video, so if we could hit that, that'd be huge, but we're doing it for Sosa. So yeah, that's everything that needs to be mentioned. I'm gonna end this screen recording. I'm gonna get ready for this Nike drop that's happening in 3 minutes, first day. Hopefully I will cop some items. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that needs to be mentioned. I am ready to hopefully cop, and I got some classes too, so early classes. I'll see you on the next one though. Peace.
I need all the bad bitches just to do more. Why do you take your time? Yeah, sometimes I can steal my mind. Why's my life so hard to find? Why can't peace be something I can find? I met you just last week, now you think we married, like color Sperry. Yeah, can you just spare me all of this sweet talk? I ain't really like y'all, but you know you do them lines.